Hold up. You're watching this video right now, right? I mean, look at it. It looks almost too real to believe, huh? Here's the wild part. This video was made with a ridiculously powerful AI tool that barely anyone knows about. And get this, it's actually a paid tool. But I found a secret trick, a hidden shortcut that lets you use it completely free. No limits, no strings attached. So if you love next-level AI tools that save you hours of time and maybe even help you make some extra cash, hit that subscribe button right now. I'm always digging up hidden AI gems like this, and I'll be sharing them all here. And hey, don't skip a second of this video. One misstep and you could miss out on something seriously game-changing. Believe it or not, there's a secret way to access this paid AI tool without spending a dime. Yep, I found it, and I'm about to show you how it works. You're probably wondering, wait, why hasn't anyone talked about this yet? It's flying under the radar, hidden in plain sight, but I dug deep and cracked the code. The tool is called Seedance, and guess who's behind it? ByteDance. Ring a bell? That's the same company that created TikTok. While everyone's chasing the usual AI tools, ByteDance has been quietly building something super powerful and honestly, kind of mind-blowing. If you've tried Google's AI video generator before, just try Seedance once. You'll instantly see the difference. I've tested it myself, and the results totally blew me away. All right, no more teasing. Let me show you exactly how to get started. It only takes 3 easy steps. But listen carefully. Follow every single step the way I show you, or it won't work. Step 1. Go stealth mode. You absolutely need a VPN for this. No VPN, no access, period. I'm using Urban VPN. If you want something faster and more stable, try NordVPN, or anyone you like. I've dropped the links in the description. Now open your VPN and connect to a country in Africa. I'm choosing Nigeria. You can watch exactly how I do it on screen. That's it for step 1, and it's super important. Next, let's set up your account. While the VPN is still on, head over to the Dreamina AI website, links down below. Top right corner, click Sign In. Here's a tip. Use a Google account you've never used on this site before. That keeps things clean. They might ask for your birthday. Just throw in a reasonable one, doesn't really matter. If a pop-up appears, just close it. Doesn't affect anything. Once you're in, you'll probably see something like 0 credits. Looks sketchy, right? But nope, that means you did it exactly right. You might notice the video generator is locked, but don't worry, that's what step 3 is for. All right, final step. Switch your VPN connection from Africa to somewhere in Europe. I usually go with the UK, quick and easy. Now refresh the page, or hit F5. Boom. The platform unlocks all features. And here's the best part. Every video you generate now costs 0 credits. Totally free. No limits. You're in. Let me show you around real quick. There are 2 video models to choose from. Go with the latest one. It's way better. Pick your video length, 5 or 10 seconds. You can also choose the aspect ratio. 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for Shorts or TikTok. Let's test it out with something simple. I'm typing in, a fox discovering a glowing mushroom forest at night. Click Generate. Wait a few seconds. VPN speed affects this. Then boom, a crazy sharp 4K video shows up. Insane, right? But that was just basic stuff. Let's go big. Here's a more complex prompt with multiple cinematic scenes. A futuristic city slowly rewinds back to the 1800s. Cut to steam trains rolling through cobblestone streets. Cut to a glowing portal closing in a forest at night. Click Generate, and let's see what happens. You see that? It understands story structure. It's like having a co-director sitting beside you. Once it's done, you can add extra frames for smoother motion, boost video quality, even create an AI-generated soundtrack to match the vibe. Now here's the coolest feature yet. You can make an AI avatar talk from a still photo. From the homepage, look at the right-hand side. Click on AI Avatar, or start one directly from there. Upload any image. I'm using a snapshot from Google's demo. Select Avatar Turbo Mode, higher quality, still free. Then either type in what you want the avatar to say or upload an audio file. Here's what I'm typing. Hey, can I be honest with you for a second? I didn't plan to record this, but something's been on my mind lately. And maybe, just maybe, someone out there needs to hear it too. Watch the lips, the expressions. It's crazy realistic. From one photo, you get a lifelike, expressive, talking avatar.
Hey, can I be honest with you for a second? I didn't plan to record this, but something's been on my mind lately. And maybe, just maybe, someone out there needs to hear it too.
And that's it. This isn't just another AI tool. This is a game changer for creators. You can make ads, cinematic scenes, B-rolls, all from a single sentence. All this power, now it's in your hands. Links are below. Feel free to test it out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. I'd love to know, what's the first prompt you're going to try? Thanks for watching to the end. See you in the next one.